is our last Mexico video. We are off. We have a travel plan video coming out next week.
Let's just take a couple moments and like revisit some of our favorite Mexico memories. I mean, the beginning of this series, we're literally still in the RV. That's the first episode.
What?
Yeah.
No. It's Illinois.
A beautiful gray November day in Illinois has us not regretting our decision. And like we're moving and stuff. I know.
So then that makes it
so
my
long
favorite
ago.
moment is when we didn't live in an RV anymore.
Tim,
my favorite moment.
Tim not driving. That's a good moment.
When my back felt strong again. That was a favorite moment. When the motorcycle Torta was delivered. Rebecca. Oh, it's so funny.
Gracias por ayudar.
I did nothing.
Yeah.
Not at all. That was a favorite moment. Should I just keep rattling these off?
Well, what are they? You don't have to.
Going surfing in La Lancha with Sayulita Surf Company and Gio. That was a great. I didn't record that.
That was a great moment.
Really
That was behind the scenes. Maybe if we have some photos, we'll put them in here. I really liked.
What were your favorite moments?
My favorite moments were all of the food here. Really. Oh, all of the food everywhere. So in Sayulita, we had great food. The Thai restaurant is great, and of course, all the Mexican food is here. It's great. Seeing Lila in Mexico City, we had some of the best food there, documented mostly on Instagram, but also in some of the Mexico City episodes. Such good food there. And then back in Guadalajara, you didn't get to eat though. Sorry.
My best times was when I was in Mexico City and Tim wasn't there. Perfect.
Well, it's nice to see my friend. Oh, she's my friend. Mm-hmm. And then back in Guadalajara with Tim, going to Lucha Libre
was awesome.
Such a fun night. And then it was just so funny that like we ended up on that party bus with the huge group of university guys or whatever they were. I mean, that's what made it so fun for me.
I don't know
if
that was better or the tequila train. Like those were two really sweet things in Guadalajara. Just going sweating it out.
Milk was a bad choice. And the couple that we ended up on the tequila train with, just as we were randomly paired on the train, ended up being so fun. And
they had a dog named Bolt. I remember. You guys thought that you were just telling me, and I remember. Your dog's name is Bolt.
Yeah, the tequila day was great. And then it's just been fun here with Matt and like having a friend in town and just enjoying the beach again. The whole Semana Santa stuff with all of the people. I mean, it really has been crowded here. So we've been
Semana Santa turns out it's 2 weeks and not just 1 week.
We're having the bonus week this week.
Yeah, this is extra.
Yeah.
Holy Week? Wait, what week is this called?
Well, Semana Santa, Holy Week last week, and then Semana Pascua, Easter week this week. So all the people still have work off, so it's still very busy. Mm-hmm. And just thanks for hanging out with us aquí en México. Gracias por todos los nuevos que han visto nuestros videos aquí en México. Estamos muy agradables que están aquí.
Sí, estoy de acuerdo.
Mira.
Adiós.
Él puede entender el español, pero es un poco más difícil hablar, ¿no?
Yo entiendo, pero no hablo bien.
Exacto.
I know that phrase.
Exacto.
I think that's it. Okay.
Bueno, nos vemos en una semana con un anuncio de viaje. Nos vemos.
Adiós.